Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do a little ride along today. I haven't done a ride along in a minute. Maybe a little while, but this is a fragrance I got a little while ago, maybe about a year ago, and I had been searching for a long time. But I've worn it a few times, but I haven't did it around long. So this is Pure Love by Montal. And for a while, this was really hard to find, but I finally found it last year and I was so excited. So I'm gonna do a ride along with it. And this is kind of a strong fragrance. It's a rose based fragrance, and I think today it's supposed to be like in the 60s. So it may be a little strong for this. So I'm not going to go too heavy with the sprays. I'm just doing like two there, two on my arms, and then maybe one back there, and then I'll go one on the back of the neck also. Okay, cool. And I have some on my skin also. So, all right, ride along with me. Let's check it out. See how it does. Oh, by the way, today, right now, it is 7:43. Why does it look purple? Looks purple there, but it's 7:34. 7:43. All right, let's ride along. Let's check this out. Time for a check-in. It is now 9:45, so it's been about 2 hours, and it smells almost exactly the same, especially on my clothes. It may be a little bit lighter than it was when I first sprayed it, but it smells pretty much the same. That rose with the sandalwood. This is a really great fragrance. I like this fragrance personally, but I don't hear a lot of people talking about it. But it, like I said, it's 9:46, and it's supposed to get warm today. It started out kind of cool. Right now it is 48 degrees. So yeah. And I'm inside, so it doesn't really matter what the weather is. And it's supposed to be raining today. So when I start moving around a little bit more outside, we'll see how it works with the weather. See if the weather makes it worse or better, because it's a little damp outside because of the rain. All right, I'll give you another check-in a little bit. Hey, so time for another check-in, and I am out on the road now. I still smell the fragrance. It's not super strong, but it is still wearing really well. I can easily smell it. It's not like I have to reach to smell it. Just sitting here, I can smell it. But so yeah, I'm happy about that. Oh, and right now the time is 11:58. That coming in 11:58. So that's what, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo, 4 hours. Not bad. So it's doing well. And the crazy thing is, what I'm smelling, it feels like it's coming off of my skin, because I did spray my neck, and I sprayed my wrist a little bit off camera. So it feels like it's coming off my skin, not necessarily off my clothes. But I am covered up with this extra jacket right now. So yeah, so it's working good. Oh, and right now it is 53 degrees and it is rainy outside. Well, the rain is starting to drop now. It was raining earlier, and yeah. Well, car says 53 degrees, but my watch says 49 degrees. So take it with a grain of salt. So it's pretty comfortable outside. It's not cold. It's not super hot. It's okay, but it's an overcast because the rain is still dissipating a little bit, but the clouds are still in the sky, and the rain has stopped. I don't even have my windshield wipers on now. All right, but anyway, That's probably way too much information. All right, I'll give you guys another check-in probably in a little while. I'll see how long this thing gonna last. All right, roll with it. Doing a little check-in. Hopefully you guys can see me. It is, oh shoot, I'm at the gym, just finished up. But it is 2 minutes after 12, 2:12. And I still smell the fragrance. It's real faint. And this is after me doing workout and everything. I still smell it, but it's just faint. And I'm not sure if it's coming from my sweatshirt or off my skin, but actually, no, it's coming off my skin. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And right now it's 57 degrees outside, but I don't know what the temperature is in here, but it is warm in here. So that's pretty good. I'll give you another check-in a little bit later. All right. All right, folks. So I am here. Wrap this up real quick. This fragrance it's bomb. It's a bomb. It lasts for super long. It is now 5:54, and I still smell it on my sweatshirt. My skin is really, really, really faint. It's like I can faintly smell it. Let me see. I did spray my wrist. Yeah, I smell it on my wrist, but I'm not sure if I'm smelling my sweatshirt or my skin. I'm trying to slightly on my wrist, but it passed. And today it got up to, I think it got up to 60 degrees, maybe been high. And like I said, it's almost 6 o'clock, 5 minutes to 6. So I'm gonna go through the notes of this. And the notes for Pure Love, here we go. For Pure Love by Montal, that name will come in. But the notes are, on the top, we have rose. In the middle, there is sandalwood and vetiver. And then in the base notes, we have vanilla, ambergris, and leather. Actually, the leather, I don't really pick up on leather. It feels more like a suede, like it's a smooth kind of vibe that I get to it. And when it opens up, when you first spray it on your skin, the rose is not like an old lady rose. It's kind of not a jammy rose, but it is kind of a sweet rose. Not jammy though. It's not like a candy kind of rose. It's more of just a rose that's just a little bit sweet, just a little bit, and it has a texture to it. The rose kind of has a texture to it. It almost feels like the rose has like a little fur on it, you know what I mean? But it's a great fragrance. And then the sandalwood mixed with it. The whole thing is pretty good. It smells a little linear. It doesn't really change too much. It's pretty much what you get in the beginning. It's pretty much what it's going to smell like at the end, but it's with a little bit of twisted, not a whole lot. But yeah, again, I was so glad to finally get this. I was trying to get it for a while, and then it was out of stock for a while, and then I finally was able to pick it up. So yeah, I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, but it is a great fragrance. It's a good fragrance if you like warm fragrances. If you like, it's kind of like a date night fragrance. But yeah, but anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, going around with this ride along with Pure Love. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Pure Love, my ride along for today. Till next time, it's your boy Will Report. Deuces.